Hello guys and welcome to another tutorial video. In this short tutorial video, I'll be showing you how to swap Solana to meme coins on Phantom. Alright guys, so to get started on this, make sure you have an updated Phantom wallet app. So with the updated Phantom wallet, if you head to the browser section at the bottom right and under the trending tokens, you can find tokens that are meme coins, which are very volatile, which you could either end up as a millionaire or end up losing all your tokens and assets by buying any of these cryptocurrencies. That's what the volatility is. So once you scroll through and you find a cryptocurrency that's a meme coin you wish to buy, all you need to do to swap your Solana into a meme coin on Phantom is click on the token. You'd find the swap option, which is just here, and you can go ahead and click this. But before you do any of this, please make sure you have some Solana to cover your gas fees. It's important you have Solana to cover your gas fees and to be able to swap, because we're swapping our Solana tokens into meme coins on the Phantom wallet. If you do not have Solana to convert, simply click on the buy option, click on Solana, and now with your credit card, you can get yourself a good amount of Solana to cover your gas fees or any transactions you'll be making on the blockchain. All right, so let's head back to the browser. So for this tutorial, we'll be going with the official Baron. So click on the token and click on swap. Another option of getting yourself some meme coins would be to make use of coinmarketcap.com and searching for Solana meme tokens. You'd find a lot of them on the market, and all you need to do is simply zoom into the contract address here, where you can simply copy. All right, so heading back now, if you click on the swap option, you're taken to swap tokens menu, where you're meant to swap your Solana into the Baron token. So I do need to mention that there is slippage, because these tokens are so volatile. You're going to have to increase your slippage, which determines the amount of gas fees you're paying. So right off the bat, you'll be placed on 0.3 to 1% by the Phantom app. But if you were to enable the automatic option on your slippage tolerance, if you're going to set the automatic, it's going to adjust according to the market and get you the best and lowest price you can pay to simply get the Baron token. So just click on swap and the transaction is done. All right guys, that's how it's done. Comment down below if you have a question and you'll be given an answer. Thank you.